We have started from my house. Guys, see this full video, you will not get bored. Let us see the places on the way. Don't skip the video, watch till end. We have reached the Outer Ring Road. To reach National Highway, it will take 30 minutes. If we go through the city, it takes 1 hour 30 minutes. So we can save the traveling time. Wow, 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 wow. The weather was so cool. Now we are exiting ORR and approaching National Highway. This is Shamirpet Lake. Wow, full of water this time. This is become a picnic spot. There is also Kattamaisama temple. This temple will be crowded on Sunday and during the festivals. After traveling 20 minutes from Shamirpet, we have reached Pragnapur. If you turn to right side, this road goes to CM KCR Sir Farmhouse. You can see beautiful cotton crop of both sides of the road. Om Namah Shivaya. This is a Kumaralli Mallanna Temple Road. There are totally 3 toll gates in this road. This is one of my favorite places, Siddipet. This is the adda for dabas. We can enjoy rotis and egg burji here. Due to corona, we are unable to halt here. We are missing all the enjoyment. I want to tell one important thing. This project belongs to Hyderabad Metro Water Board. Here they are pumping the water from Godavari River to Hyderabad city. hours traveling from Hyderabad, we have reached Karimnagar. This is the dam called Maneru. It's fulfilled the drinking water and agriculture in around the city. Peddapelli Hanuman statue. Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman. Petrol and diesel oil storage center for North Telangana districts. For all the districts, the oil will be distributed from this center. Look over there. The smoke is coming from NTPC Ramagundam. This is 2600 megawatt thermal power station. Friends, you know that there are 5 types of power generations. One is thermal based on coal. Second one, hydel based on water. Third one, solar based on sun. Fourth one, wind based on wind. Fifth one, biomass based on garbage. This is solar plant. You can see it. This is Godavari River. We can offer coins to Godavari. This is also called Ganga. This river starts at Nasik and flows through Telangana and Andhra states. The Godavari River meets the sea at the end. This is Mancharal. I'm near to my village. Ho 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 ho. Beautiful location. Ammavari temple preferred place for Vanabhojanalu. New open cost project for coal production. Oh wow! is our tractor. Driver went to repair work to town. Hi! You can see hill over there. The other side of the hill, my grandma village. This is thick forest area. Finally, we have reached the village. It took 5 hours journey. In my last video, I made a village tour. If you didn't see that video, link is in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Please like